Sandile here. God lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. YouTube tells me that you guys only watch my videos for about what, a minute. So I'm asking you nicely, please stay long, because a minute, 2 minutes, it's normally me doing the introduction. So I'd love you to stay long, go through the video, see what's in the video, see if you won't learn anything. I'm hoping that you'll learn something out of it and that you'll like it. So having said that, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. Today I'll show you how to do these guys. These are Yams, Amadumbe in my language. I've harvested some potatoes from 2 of my buckets that I had potatoes in. So I'm going to put these guys in there, because as you can see, I bought these guys with the purpose of eating them, but they have since started growing roots and germinating themselves. So I am just going to put them on the soil and let them give me even more than what I would have had from this small packet that I bought. Let's get on with it. Let's do this.
Don't forget my grandma.
So these are the 2 packets that I had potatoes on. You can see on that other packet there's still a potato plant there. I left that potato plant because I think it's still viable and it still has a chance of growing and producing more potatoes. So what I'll do, I'm going to put some of these guys in this container and in that container. Now I might have to cut these guys. Let me do this. Yeah, I might have to cut them about there, and then cut it about there, put this on the soil, and then eat this, because this is still good, this is still viable. Okay, let me go through that decision right now and see. And I might have to put some of them completely in full, and then we get to see the difference, how the ones that were cut will perform in comparison to those that I'll put in full will perform. Let me go get a knife and then we do this. Right, okay guys, so these guys, as you can see here, this is where the plant, the shoot, is gonna come out on. So which means I'll have to cut somewhere here in the middle, and I'll have to put it facing up like that, because this is where the plant will come out, and there will be no point of me putting it upside down like this. You know, you don't want the plant going down, you want the plant coming out and getting the sunshine and all that. So what I'll do here, I'll do this, leave just enough, you know, for this plant and to have energy to grow, and then leave myself a little bit here to eat. I am gonna eat this one. Put it here, and we come here, we do this.
Daddy,
yeah, we put this guy there like that, and we cover, you know. And let's see, there's another one. Spike, move. This one doesn't show me where the I'll still, no, I'll still carry it about here. That, throw that there, and then we put this in here like that. So we will see how long it will take for these yams, or yams, depending how you pronounce them, or Amadumbe in my language. We'll see how long it will take for them to actually come up out of the soil, you know, and start cooking and start producing. Okay, so I'll go with this one somewhere here like that. So what I'll do on this bucket without the potato plant, I'll put the ones that I cut, and then on that bucket with the potato plant, I'll put the ones that I won't cut, and then you and I will be the judges to see which one will perform the best in terms of production and in terms of yeah, producing for us. Let me see. Yeah, so this one, Spike, hey, go. This one we can already see. This is where it will be coming. So this one I won't cut. It's one of those that I won't cut. I'll just do this, put it there, cover it, and that's it. You know, and that's it. And then let's see also here. Here's another one. I won't cut this one as well. Remember, I said on this bucket with the potatoes, we're not cutting because we want to see the difference between those that we cut and those that we do not cut. How they going to perform and what will be the behavior, you know, if I were to put it in that manner. Okay, maybe let's take you one and let's put one on this corner here, one on this corner there, on this corner here. Let's put it like that, you know, and then we'll put one on this corner here.
I'll help you.
Yeah. Let's take this one. Let's put it there. Let's put it there. Like that. And then we cover. Right. Okay. So that's just about it. Now, I think I can put this guy cut here, put this guy in the middle here. My buckets are not that big. I think they are, you know, a little bit smaller. I think they are a little bit smaller. But, you know, you do what you can with what you have. Am I wrong or am I right? You do what you can with what you have. This one, we don't have space for this one. Maybe I'll put it down there in one of the sweet potato buckets there. We'll see. Put it on top there like that. We'll see. Okay. All right, guys. That's about it. That's how I do my yams or Amadumbe. I had done Amadumbe about, I think it was just after COVID. Was it? Either pre-COVID or just after COVID. I had done Amadumbe and we had quite a good harvest. I remember harvesting at the same time as I harvested the ginger. Excuse me, back then. But after COVID, I didn't do much, obviously, in terms of planting and all that, all lot other things that were a pressure on myself and the stress on myself that I had to attend to, and then I sort of neglected the garden. But now we're getting back full steam on the garden, and we will see. Remember, there we have uncut full yams chucked on the soil. Here we have cut half yams or quarter yams chucked on the soil, and then we'll see how they will behave. We'll see how the outcome will be. It is a lesson that you and I will be learning at the same time together, and I'm hoping that it will be bountiful. Like these potatoes that we just harvested, they were bountiful. As small as they were bountiful. It is just that the plants were already like sort of like dying, diseased up and all that, and then I had to pull them out. But otherwise, if you look in terms of numbers, I got more than what I put in on the soil. So that's the beauty of planting and doing the garden. You always get more than what you put in on the soil. Otherwise, guys, without further ado, let me not say much more and waste more time talking. Thank you for watching. You are highly appreciated, especially if you subscribe, you share the videos, you comment, you like the videos. You are highly appreciated from the bottom of my heart. And if you are not a subscriber, as I think, like, if I check on YouTube stats, like almost the ratio is almost like 70-30, you know. Viewers that are not subscribers, they're like 70%, and viewers that are subscribers, they're like 30%. So it will be nice to win more of you guys from the 70 section into the 30 section, and then we grow the 30 section into a 70 section. So please do subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. That's highly appreciated by me. Sandila here, the cow lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. I am out. Mdeni, you wanna tell the people what they must do? Come decide, Baba. What must they do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yes. And Danny is
Out.
out, and Spiky is
Out.
out.
Oh my God.
Right. Nobody wanna tell the people? Come, Baba. Come decide. Come. Now tell the people that you are out.
Okay.
Okay. You can tell them.
Okay. No.
Okay, Baba.
Say you're out.
Okay, right.
I'm out.
You are out.
Oh, Daddy.